Okay.
Okay. So, easiest way to say is I'm a caterpillar who became a butterfly at the end. But our show is based on the Greek mythology, where about Fall of Icarus, where the Icarus falls into the magic forest and meets all creatures in there who help him to get used to his life in the forest, to go through all sorts of challenges and help him to start to walk again. And that's the place where Icarus meets a strange creature, which is me, for the first time. And we sort of fall in love with each other, but we don't know if it's love or not. Some strange feelings. And we end up with a happy marriage. Well, like my character is sort of like a part of me, because I'm trying to, though you give some like particular, I don't know, challenges to work on a character, you're always trying to adapt it for yourself, for like your needs, your feelings, your emotions, and I'm always trying to find something that would connect me and my character on the stage and that would look real to people. And to work, I don't know, in a certain place, I'm very happy to work here, and it's definitely like takes the biggest part of my life. It's a very interesting experience traveling around, meeting new people, new culture, and trying to know other people's lifestyles.